Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a new jewelry set? I have one for you by Evensee. This is a beautiful black onyx set. It is a heart earring and necklace set. I love how this set twinkles. The cubic zirconium around the smooth black onyx is just really pretty. It's simple, but it's sparkly and adds some pizzazz. It's also really nice because this set I can wear with jeans and t-shirt and it looks fine. Or if I want to dress up in a nice dress, also add some sparkle and it dresses that outfit up as well. This would make a super beautiful gift for anyone. It comes in a nice little box for you to wrap. It's so pretty in person. It has such a sparkle. Even the chain has a nice little sparkle on how it lays on your neck. Even the back of the necklace where you have the adjustable length has a cute little heart on the end, which I just love little details that take a product up a notch. The set also would be cute for a little girl. My daughter is almost 4 and it looks really pretty on her. So whether you want it for yourself or your little girl, it will fit both of you. I have just loved having this set. It looks so cute no matter what I'm wearing. So I highly recommend this set. It really is so beautiful. You will love it, but that's just my point of view.